Lily, what do you see outside? Birds? And she's very excited about it.
Mommy, look at me.
Are you balancing? B. Don't use the desk. Just jump off. Thank you.
Again.
Lily, are you done watching the birds?
Whoa.
Are you done bird watching, Lily? I guess she is.
Or we could do bird watching with my binoculars. I wish Lily had some binoculars. Wow, whoa. I wish I could go to school.
And do what?
And learn.
You're-
Like the seminary school, not school. Like boys. Look at me. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
You gonna jump off?